Ever wondered how to make your own aftershave? Well, you're not alone. Aftershave plays a key role in a man's grooming routine. Its importance goes beyond just making you smell good. Let's delve into the world of shaving. Daily shaving can be harsh on the skin. As the razor glides, it removes not only the hair but also a thin layer of skin. This can leave the skin feeling raw and sensitive, and even cause tiny, almost invisible cuts. These cuts are potential gateways for bacteria, leading to skin infections. This is where aftershave comes in. It acts as a protective layer, shielding these minor cuts from harmful bacteria. Moreover, it soothes the skin, reducing the redness and irritation caused by the razor's assault. But aftershave isn't just about protection and relief. It also nourishes the skin, keeping it healthy and vibrant. So you see, aftershave is more than just a fragrance. It's a protective barrier that your skin will thank you for. What goes into making a soothing and protective DIY aftershave? Well, let's break it down, ingredient by ingredient. First up is witch hazel, a natural wonder that serves as a potent astringent, perfect for calming any irritation and reducing redness. But that's not all. Witch hazel also has brilliant antiseptic properties, stepping up to the plate to block bacteria from entering your skin. Next in line is aloe vera, a tried and true skincare staple. Aloe vera, with its soothing properties, is like a comforting hug to those sensitive post-shave areas. And let's not forget its role as a powerful moisturizer. It's like a tall glass of water for your skin, keeping it hydrated and happy. Now let's talk about the role of glycerin in this DIY aftershave recipe. Glycerin acts as a natural binder, helping to hold the other ingredients together. It also adds a touch of moisture, keeping your skin smooth and supple. And then we move on to the piece de resistance, the essential oils. These aromatic oils not only give your aftershave a delightful fragrance, but they also bring a slew of skin benefits. A blend of frankincense and benzoin can soften and smooth your skin, while a mix of lime, bergamot, patchouli, and cedarwood can leave you smelling fresh and invigorating. With these ingredients, you can create an aftershave that not only smells good, but also promotes healthier skin. So why not give it a try? Now, onto the exciting part, creating your own aftershave. The process is straightforward, but each step is crucial to ensure the best outcome. First, you'll want to gather your ingredients: witch hazel, aloe vera, glycerin, and your chosen blend of essential oils. Begin by pouring half a cup of witch hazel into a glass container. This natural astringent will calm any irritation and reduce redness, while also acting as an antiseptic to guard against bacteria. Next, add a quarter cup of aloe vera to the mix. This sensational plant extract not only soothes those sensitive post-shave areas, but also acts as a powerful moisturizer, keeping your skin hydrated and radiant. Following this, incorporate a tablespoon of glycerin. This ingredient helps bind the other components together and adds an extra layer of moisturizing power to your aftershave. It's now time to infuse your mixture with the delightful scents and benefits of essential oils. Add 5 drops each of frankincense and benzoin, or alternatively a blend of lime, bergamot, patchouli, and cedarwood. These oils not only provide a refreshing aroma, but also work to soften and smooth the skin. Once everything is in your container, secure the lid and give it a good shake. This ensures all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed, creating a homogeneous solution that's ready to soothe and protect your skin after every shave. And there you have it, your very own homemade aftershave ready for use. Knowing how to use your newly made aftershave is just as important as making it. So let's dive into the method that ensures maximum benefits. Start off by opening up your pores. This step is crucial. A simple way to do this is by placing a hot towel over the shaved area. Pat gently and let the warmth do its job. Once your pores are open and ready, give your DIY aftershave a good shake. This helps to mix up all those beneficial essential oils. Then spray a few times into the palm of your hands. Now here comes the soothing part. Gently massage the aftershave into your face and neck. Feel it penetrate your pores, healing any open cuts and calming any redness and irritation. As it soaks in, you'll start to notice a fresh scent. But remember, this isn't just a scent, it's a shield, protecting your skin from damage and bacteria. With this homemade aftershave, you're not just pampering your skin, you're protecting it. So go on, give it a try and see the difference it makes. We would like to hear from you if you tried it in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.